Hello guys, this is Navdeep Singh from the Vibe Bible. So in the today's video, we are going to discuss about the psychology behind the IELTS reading. In this video, I am going to explain some techniques and mindset strategies that can enhance the performance in the IELTS reading section. And apart from it, this video also explains some techniques like managing the test anxiety, like improving your concentration. Apart from it, it can also discuss some tips regarding how to boost your confidence and also tell you about what is the benefits of like staying positive in your all exam. So this approach not only address the technical aspects of the test but also emphasize the importance of mental preparation. Okay, so I am damn sure that this video can lift your score from 5.5 to 8, and it will also remove your all the fear of IELTS reading from your mind. So here I am going to explain around six tricks that can reduce your fears of IELTS. So number first is like that stress and anxiety. Okay, so we know that most of the maximum students have a fear in their minds that what type of question that they are going to face in their exam. So there are many assumptions, many negative thoughts in their minds. Okay, so there are so much stress and anxiety for the test takers, especially on the day of the exam. So such type of anxiety can affect your performance. It's obvious, not for it is common for the everyone. So such type of stress and anxiety surely going to affect your performance. So you have to deal with this stress and anxiety. So what can you do? You can do like that just before the exam around 5 to 10, no, 1 to 2 minutes before the exam, just take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. Calm your own nerves, especially your mind, and stay focused on your mind and remove all the negative thoughts and anxiety out of your body. Okay, you have to clear your all the mind as well as body before the exam. It will help to stay focused. It will also help your concentration, especially for the reading module. So it's very necessary to reduce your fear, to reduce the negative thoughts before starting the exam. So just take us one simple step, that take a deep breath and calm your nerve. It is, I am 100% sure it will surely going to give you a benefits of around one band in your IELTS writing. So stay focused, stay concentration, and remove all the anxiety just by taking the deep breath and just by close your eyes and remove all your anxiety. And number second is time management. They could time management is one of the most important part for the IELTS reading. Maximum students are facing the problem like how to manage the time. There are many students that they only do around 30 questions in complete 1 hour. So here I am going to tell you that you have to skip the question. You have to skip the question like that. I am doing my reading and I am at the question number 13, and I am trying and trying, but I do not find its answer. So in that time, maximum student just try to find and they lose their maximum time. That is not a good strategy. You have to skip the question. You have to skip the question. Don't waste the time around 5 minutes or plus on one single question. Do not do that. You have to make the strategies like skim and scan, and you don't have to read thoroughly the passage. Just like you have to find the keywords and move on. Have to find the keywords and move on, and also skip the question. Skipping is the best way to deal with the time management. Don't waste your time. Okay, number third is attention and focus. So attention and focus is very essential and very important for the IELTS reading. It can help you to achieve your maximum score, so you have to avoid the distractions. You have to avoid the distractions. Like there are so much distractions in the reading. Like maximum students thinks that we can find all the answer just by keywords. No, it's not the true for the every time. Sometimes keywords work as a trap. Like I have a question of true false not given where I have a keywords like Asia, and I find the Asia in a passage like in third or fourth line of a passage. But I am not sure, 100% sure that the this Asia and this Asia is same location. Like this is the location of your question. It will be a trap. So don't find the answer always by the keywords. You have to focus, you have to pay attention for complete questions. You have to make sure that this Asia is exactly talking about the same line or the same topic that you find in the passage. So there are very much traps, there are very much distraction. You have to avoid that distractions also. So stay focused, and pay attention to the exact information. Okay. Number fourth is motivation and confidence. This strategy is the best way, is the best trick to deal with the reading. Like that, one of my student, that always like one of my student, I don't remember his name, and he always got around 6 or 6.5 band during his class test. But he is very much confident, he is very much motivated that he will surely going to get the band 8 in the final exam. I always told him that, like, just by saying you cannot got that band score, you have to do practice. But he always told me that, sir, I will surely make it possible. And his confidence and his motivations is so much strong that he achieved band score 8 in his reading. So it only make it possible because of his confidence, because of his motivation, also his unique strategies. So how it works, like he always do the passage like normal students do the reading like this, that they read the passage and go through the questions. Like if we have fill-ups first, then we do fill-ups, then we do like list of heading, and then matlab like like in a steps. But he always do like that. Passage number first, he always do fill in the blanks first, fill in the blanks completed, then on the second passage he do fill in the blanks, third passage fill in the blanks, then again in the first passage true false not given, second passage true false, like that. So he has a unique strategies, and due to which he also got the 8 band because of his motivation and confidence. So it is very necessary for all the students. Now the fifth is understanding the instruction. There are many students like they avoid the instructions. It is very crucial to read the instructions. So what type of question it is, what the examiner ask about it. So you have to read the instructions. Don't avoid the instructions, guys. Don't ignore it, especially in the case of fill in the blanks. Maximum students like do his answer wrong, just they don't read the instruction. Like there are two words and one words, and they only write like there are one word only, and they write two words. That is just because they avoid the instructions. Don't ignore it. And number 6, and the very important, is test taking strategies. Okay, the strategies, that reading is totally depend on the strategies, totally depend on the strategy. You have to make your own strategies. There are many maximum many students in in the institute, they just struggling with the IELTS reading from last 6 to 7 months and more than a 1 year also, because they just follow the strategies of teachers, they don't make their own strategies. So I always recommend all the students, if you are not improving in your reading just by just by following the strategy of your teachers or institute, you have to make your own strategies. It will greatly impact you. When I am in the student, I am a student, i I applied for my IELTS exam and I only got 6 band in my reading in my first attempt. And second attempt 6.5. Then I decided to leave my institute, and then I make my own strategies at home. I prepare myself at home and I achieve 7.5 in the reading. So strategies are just depend on the student. If you are not improving, then you have to make your own strategy. So that's all. So I think you can get my point, and if you think this video will helps you a lot, so please subscribe my channel. And if you want to attend my online class, just WhatsApp on the numbers 8168321916 and 9467488825, and I teach you the strategies that I make during my own preparation. So thank you so much. Subscribe my channel.